Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup without cream. First, prepare your ingredients by dicing 1 medium onion and mincing 2 cloves of garlic. Core and quarter about 2 pounds of ripe, flavorful tomatoes. This initial preparation ensures everything is ready for a smooth cooking process. Having all your components prepped saves time and makes the cooking experience much more enjoyable and efficient. Once your aromatics are prepped, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the diced onion and minced garlic, sautéing until they are fragrant and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, add your quartered tomatoes and 4 cups of vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, cover, and cook for 20 to 25 minutes until the tomatoes are very tender. After simmering, it's time to achieve that silky smooth texture. Carefully use an immersion blender directly in the pot, blending until no chunks remain. If you're using a regular blender, work in small batches, filling it only about 1/3 full to prevent hot liquid from splattering. Once blended, return the soup to the pot, season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of sugar, then heat through. For an even richer flavor, consider roasting your tomatoes before adding them to the pot. This caramelizes their natural sugars, adding a wonderful depth to your soup. Garnish your finished soup with fresh basil, homemade croutons, or a drizzle of high-quality olive oil for an extra touch. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, cream-free tomato soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.